ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delayed Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. First, let us catch up with the major headlines. Message of congratulations. Message of condolences. Gazan people questioned real purpose of the U.S.-built float pier in aid delivery. Heavy rain triggered flooding caused swelling water level in Guangxi. On our local news, leaders from Malawi, Palestine and Great Britain have extended their congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea on the occasion of 33rd Independence Day anniversary. President Lazarus McCarthy Chakwera of Malawi, President Mohammed Abbas of Palestine, and King Charles of Great Britain expressed their well-wish for good health to President Isaias Afwerki and peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people. They also conveyed their country's eagerness to enhance bilateral ties with Eritrea based on mutual interests. President Isaias Afwerki has extended his deepest condolences to Mr. Mohammed Makhbar, the interim president of the Islamic Republic of Iran, following a tragic helicopter crash near Jolfa in eastern Azerbaijan province. The crash claimed the lives of Mr. Ibrahim Raisi, president of Islamic Republic of Iran, Mr. Hussein Amir Abdullahian, the prime minister of foreign affairs, and other senior officials. President Isaias Afwerki expressed his sincere sympathies on behalf of the government and people of Eritrea, as well as on his own behalf, to Mr. Mohammed Makhbar, Islamic Republic of Iran, as well as to the families of the deceased. The expansion of educational facilities since independence in Logo Ansaba subzone has notably increased students' enrollment, particularly among female students. Mr. Tsahaye Brhane, head of the Education Office in the subzone, reported that 17 elementary schools, 10 junior high schools and 3 high schools have been established in the recent years, serving over 11,500 students. He highlighted the significant rise in female enrollment, with more than 50% in high schools. Mr. Tsahaye praised the local communities of Zilale, Danagul, Adiwarseb, Melanzanai, and Deeda for their initiative in building additional classrooms, underscoring robust community involvement and active participation of female students. Mr. Daniel Takhlid, director of Daro Junior and High School, attributed the increased female enrollment to fruits, independence, and the policy of social justice. Youth Week was enthusiastically celebrated in Keren from 13th to 18th May, with participation from junior and secondary school students across all the subzones of the Ansaba region. Ambassador Abdullah Musa, governor of the region, emphasized the program's importance in fostering competent youth committed to noble societal values and called for its sustainability. Mr. Agasti Mahari, head of the Sports, Culture and Health in the region, noted that strong students' participation across various sports, which showcases the capacity development of the students. Prizes were also awarded to winners of the sports competitions. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Some residents in Gaza City questioned a need and a real purpose of building a temporary maritime pier by the United States, which claimed it is for facilitating aid delivery. The United States announced last Friday that trucks carrying humanitarian aid had reached the coast of Gaza Strip through a floating maritime port it had constructed. On Sunday, vessels transporting aid supplies and a distance could be seen from the seaside of the Gaza port. According to the U.S. estimates, the floating pier's initially shipping capacity is expected to be 90 tons per day and will later reach 150 tons. The coordinator of the government activities in the territories under the Israeli Defense Ministry said that May 19th, approximately 160,000 liters of fuel and hundreds of pallets of humanitarian aid were transported to the Gaza Strip through the pier last week. On our last news, heavy rainfall in South China's Zhuangzi Autonomous Region has caused swelling water levels in many rivers since Saturday, ranging from 1 to 6 meters. According to the local authorities, 6 small and medium-sized rivers have recorded flood levels exceeding the warning levels 0.31 to 1.68 meters. Local authorities have also urged residents to remain cautious and take necessary measures to prevent and mitigate potential disasters such as floods, mudslides, landslides that could be triggered by heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall has hit various places in southern and southwest China since Friday, causing severe flooding in multiple rivers that has surpassed the designated warning levels. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Message of congratulations. Message of condolences. Dozen people questioned a real purpose of the U.S.-built float pier for aid delivery. And heavy rain triggered flooding caused swelling water levels in Guangxi. That is all our local and international news. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good night.